Namaskar, myself Pratik. In this session, we are going to discuss step 4 for implementation of multiple linear regression. In this session, we will build our model and perform the prediction on the basis of test data. Let us start this session. As discussed in our previous session, we have to build our model on the basis of X-train and Y-train. And in order to build this multiple linear regression model, the syntax will be same as simple linear regression, because this multiple linear regression is also implemented in a class named as linear regression, and this class is available in linear_model library of sklearn. So by using this command from sklearn.linear_model import linear regression, we are importing this class, and this is the same class which we have used for implementation of simple linear regression too. In next step, we have to create the object of this class. So here we are creating the object regressor for this class. This class has a method fit for building the model. Here we are invoking its method fit through object regressor, and in building the model we have to pass two arguments, that is X-train and Y-train. So the system will learn from the data given in X-train, which is the data of independent variable for training data set, and Y-train, which is the value of dependent variable for training data set. So system will learn from X-train and Y-train and will build the model. After building this model, we have to predict the values for test data. And in this case, we have to predict the value of profit for X_test. In order to predict the values on text data, we have a predict method. So here we are invoking this method, regressor.predict, and as discussed, we have to pass test data for all independent variables for making the prediction on the profit based on these attributes. So here our test data is X_test. So we are passing this value to predict method for making the prediction on these values, and all these predictions are stored in Y_predict. So then we can compare the value of Y predict with the Y_test. Y_test contain the actual values, while Y_predict will contain the predicted values. Let us move to Spider to perform all these steps. In order to build this model, here we are importing linear regression class from linear_model of sklearn. We are creating its object and we are invoking its method fit by passing X-train and Y-train. Let us execute these lines of code to build this model. So you can see model has been built successfully. Now we are going to predict the value of profit for X_test, which carry the testing data of 10 rows for all independent variables. In order to perform this step, we have to invoke predict method of regressor object, and here we are passing our testing data, that is X_test, and this predict method will return the predicted values which we are storing in Y_predict. Let us execute this line of code to predict the value of profit for this data. So you can see that after execution of this, we have Y predict, which is the predicted value of profit, and we can compare this with the actual value of profit, which is in Y_test. For first row, the predicted value of profit is 1,03,015, while actual it is 1,03,282, which is quite close to the actual value. Same way you can see that for row at index value 1, it is 1,32,000, and here we have approximately 1,44,000. By visualizing all these values, you can see that in most of the cases, our predicted values are very close with the actual values. Now, in order to perform detailed error analysis over actual and predicted values, we have to perform error analysis, and we will perform that operation in our next video session. This is all about this session. I request you to subscribe this YouTube channel to receive latest video tutorials on topics like data mining, machine learning, DBMS, big data, NoSQL, and many more. To learn SQL in a simplified way, you can join this online course on SQL, which is available at Udemy platform. To learn PLSQL, you can join this online course, which is again available at Udemy platform. I have also authored books on data mining and data warehousing, DBMS, NoSQL, Beginning with SQL, and PLSQL for beginners. All these books are available at Amazon platform. To read more about this, you can refer my website prateekbhatia.com. Thanks for watching this video.